The Whispering Mirror. Late one night, Sarah, alone at home, decides to investigate a strange whispering sound coming from her bathroom. The sound grows louder as she approaches the mirror. She finds it fogged up, with "Help me" scrawled across it. Heart racing, she wipes the steam away, but the writing vanishes. As she turns to leave, the whispering becomes frantic. The bathroom light flickers, and Sarah's reflection in the mirror starts moving on its own, grinning eerily. Sarah spins around to face the mirror again, but her reflection is now staring back with hollow eyes, mouthing "Run." Terrified, Sarah bolts out of the room. Sometimes what's reflected isn't what it seems.